Hello beautiful people, let me show you how I actually created this simple tracking system in Excel. It can be used to monitor your project and your program, and you can download this simple format in the description. So follow me and enjoy the lesson. I want to take you through how you can create a tracking system with your Excel. It can be used to monitor your project and your progress. I'm going to use example and you can use it for anything whatsoever. So follow me and enjoy the lesson. Now, if you look at Jumia, a very popular online shopping mall in Nigeria, you have this their history, their packaging history. So for every of their order, it goes through certain stages from the order place to pending confirmation, waiting to be shipped to shipped. And if you look at this from my email, you see exactly what I'm talking about. So there are about 5 stages that every order go through to get to the customer, from the order being placed to confirmation, shipped, ready for pickup, and of course picked up by the customer. So also we can create that kind of tracking system in Excel that can help us to monitor whatsoever project that we are doing that involve stages. Now, how do we go about that? So let's go. So for this lesson, I'm using the Microsoft Office 365, the online version. So you can also have that and use it for free of charge. So what we can do is that, for example, from this table, we have the order IDs, we have the stages that our project will pass through. This time around, we are creating a delivery tracking system. So from the order received to confirmation, and then this is the last stage. And then here we want to track our progress in percentage, and here we want to have the status. So you can just have this, and then in your stages you can just highlight this way, and then insert a checkbox. So go to insert and then click on checkbox, and then you have our checkboxes here in the exact. So, and in the progress column, you just enter this formula equals to count if. Now what do we want to count? We want to count these various stages, and then if these stages are equals to true, that is if they are checked, if the checkboxes are ticked, that is they are equals to true, then you close the parentheses. Now divide it by count a, and then you pick that same stages, and then you close your parentheses, then you hit on enter. So here we now have this, and then we can go to the home tab and change this to percentage. Okay, I want to select this. Okay, let me apply it down, and then you can come here, select all, and then go to and then select percentage, and then we have it this way. And then I want to make it absolute, so I will have it this way. And then so by the time you check this, you have 20%, and then 40. So this will actually track percentages up to 100%. And then in the status column, we can use an if statement to just have a kind of completed statement. So what do? We say equals to if, and then if, that is if this column is equals to, if h3 is equals to 100%, what do we want to do? I want it to return completed, so I'll put it in quotation. Or else anything apart from 100%, I want it to be I'll put a quotation mark also. I want it to show in progress. You can have anything of your choice in the column, and then you close and then you close it, and then you hit on enter. So you can see this is 100% and it says completed. So I'm going to apply down, and then you have every other one as in progress. So if I come here and I began to take this, take this, take this just as example, take this, and then take this also, we have completed. Here you can format it a little bit, just highlight this way, go to conditional formatting on the home tab, and then go to conditional formatting on the home tab, and then come to highlight set rules and say text that contain, just click on that, and then you want to say text that contain completed and then you now say give it this color, and then you say okay. So we now have this. You can see text that contain completed will be given as a green color. So this is actually wonderful. You can use this to track project and assignment, and then you have it that way. Whenever you can just tick, you ticked, you ticked, you ticked, and then you have it that way. So this is a simple tracking system that you can create your project and your progress. If you find this tutorial useful, come on, give me a thumbs up. Thank you.